from Hyderabad. Pakistani cricketer Shoaib Malik is in Hyderabad visiting the home of his wife-to-be Sania Mirza. They're expected to get married on the 15th of April. Uma Sudhir is there tracking all the developments in Hyderabad. Uma, presumably lots of excitement in the city with Shoaib Malik's arrival?
Yes, Maya, a lot of excitement certainly in the city about the Sania Mirza marriage. But Sania Mirza certainly paying the price of being a celebrity and the perils of a celebrity marrying another celebrity. The development today being that Shoaib Malik, the man she is engaged to, Pakistani cricketer who has come down. He is supposed to have made his appearance here on the 6th of April, but he seems to have arrived midnight yesterday, and that is where he was spotted on the balcony of this Mirza home here in Hyderabad, along with Sania and her mother this morning. Certainly the city is abuzz with all the excitement of this very, very high-profile wedding, which seems to have come under clouds with some kind of allegations that have come in from a family here that is alleging that Shoaib Malik had been married to a girl here in Hyderabad. But the family really has been tight-lipped about it. The only visitor that we saw coming here was Mr. Chamundeshwar, who used to be the secretary of the Andhra Cricket Association and who is known to be a very close friend of the Mirza family, and we have in fact seen him accompanying the Mirza family to several IPL matches when they were held in Hyderabad. So that was the only visitor that we have really seen to the Mirza household. As of now, none of them have afterwards come out of the house. With less than 2 weeks left for the marriage to happen, now doubts arising whether the venue may be changed with the kind of controversies that seems to be arising out of reports and allegations being raised here in Hyderabad by certain other families. But the family certainly in a very, very state of being in one sense mobbed by the media, because there are at least a couple of dozen camera units here trying to find out what's happening around the Sania Mirza household.
Tuba.com